Welcome to Motor Hub. The 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS is here to redefine the concept of open-top grand touring. With Ferrari's relentless pursuit of performance and luxury, the new 812 GTS continues to carry the legacy of the brand's V12-powered front-engine convertibles. This car is not just about speed. It's a statement of Italian craftsmanship, precision engineering, and unrelenting power. Under the hood, the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, delivering an exhilarating 830 horsepower and 510 lb-ft of torque. This beast of an engine allows the 812 GTS to sprint from 0 to 60 mph in just under 3 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 211 km/h. Ferrari has worked extensively on optimizing aerodynamics, ensuring that even with the retractable hardtop down, the car remains stable and delivers an uncompromised driving experience. The exterior design of the 812 GTS is a perfect balance between aggression and elegance. The sculpted body lines, large air intakes, and aggressive front fascia give it an unmistakable presence. The retractable hardtop, which can be lowered in just 14 seconds at speeds of up to 28 mph, seamlessly integrates into the car's design without compromising aesthetics or performance. Ferrari has also incorporated active aerodynamics to enhance downforce and improve handling at high speeds. Step inside, and the cabin is a fusion of race-inspired design and luxurious comfort. The driver-focused cockpit is wrapped in premium leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum accents, emphasizing Ferrari's commitment to craftsmanship. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data, while the central infotainment system ensures seamless connectivity. Every control is ergonomically placed, allowing the driver to focus on the road ahead. Driving the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS is an experience like no other. The naturally aspirated V12 roars with an intoxicating soundtrack, and the 7-speed dual-clutch transmission delivers lightning-fast shifts. Ferrari's advanced electronic systems, including side-slip control and an improved magneto-rheological suspension, provide incredible handling and responsiveness. Whether cruising on the highway or attacking winding roads, the 812 GTS remains poised and confident. Despite its raw performance, the 812 GTS also incorporates modern-day driving aids and safety features. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure, warning, and collision prevention systems are seamlessly integrated, offering peace of mind without taking away from the driving thrill. The 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS is a celebration of Ferrari's heritage and engineering excellence. It embodies the perfect blend of performance, luxury, and open-top freedom. For those who crave the raw power of a V12 combined with the exhilaration of open-air motoring, the 812 GTS is the ultimate grand tourer. With limited production and exclusivity in mind, this Ferrari is not just a car, it's a masterpiece on wheels, destined to be a future classic.